Hey friends, if you wish to fix download error 0x80246019 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The next solution is to run Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Windows search bar and open Disk Cleanup. Click on OK. Click on Cleanup System Files. Select OK. And then it will start scanning, and the third one is scanning for Windows Update Cleanup. Now when it scans for this, it clears the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. That's it. It will solve your problem. The last solution will be, okay, not the last one, the third solution will be to install Windows updates manually. Now go to this website, Microsoft Update Catalog. If you want the exact address of the website, it is catalog.update.microsoft.com. Now search for the latest month and year. For example, it's May 2024. So search for 05-2024 and hit enter. And this is the latest cumulative update. You can download it and then you can click on this link to install it. But if the latest month is, if you're between 1st and 5th of the latest month or the first week of the latest month, then you can simply try to check the updates for the previous month. Okay. The next solution and the last one is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc/scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.